So guys, you see what happened now with Mommy Flair? She have got the easiest way out. When me a cook, she want me to great a coconut and squeeze coconut juice, cook here with a tough season.
Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
Today I'm gonna be cooking for Daddy Flair. Yes.
One thing I like, when it's a special day, I always cook for me, but when it's not a special day, I cook for Daddy Flair.
Yes, so me have to cook Barie fried chicken for him. Appleton, Barie fried chicken.
What?
Appleton.
Oh, you have the badness there?
Yeah, cause I don't know no girl have it like that in the kitchen. Don't. Yes.
Watch out.
And me I cook rice and peas and curry pork. That's what Daddy Flair requested.
And I'm just dancing up while I dance and interference. So guys, we're all here waiting.
So today I'll be cooking rice and chicken and pork in the kitchen. Yes. So today it's my day to cook, right, Daddy Flair? You make sure to tell me from last week, say nah cook Sunday.
No depend that.
So you know your girl have it locked.
The kill no depend that. No cooking.
Why? The kill no depend that? Yeah.
So guys, today I'll be cooking curry pork leg for Daddy Flair and Appleton Barie fried chicken.
Appleton estate. Appleton.
So guys, today I'll be using my great value black bean peas. So guys, with this peas, a lot of time we get this from overseas and we are saying what we are gonna do with this, but trust me guys, it cook rice and peas just as good as the regular peas where you have to boil and wait till it half cook before you season it up. But with this now, I already have one in the pot and I'm gonna use the next one. With this now, when you put this in and you eat it up a bit, you just season up your pot and put it in your coconut milk. And you know, you just make it stay there for less than half an hour, then you can wash your rice, put it in. So this is a quick and easy way to cook rice and peas, guys. So yes, because we are going somewhere, you know, through the curfew, we have to just do a quick thing. But trust me guys, when I go see the result, it's going to be just as fine as the regular peas. Okay guys, stay true. So guys, let me season up my pot. My little salt. Pepper, scallion, thyme, garlic in my pot, so I put in my coconut milk now. Yes, as me telling you before guys, you know you wait till the water bubble up little before you do not just this to your pot, you see me? And I go stir and leave it, so as it come down, you know, say rice ready. You see how it rich, guys? Tin peas.
That's rich.
See that, guys?
Tadamane.
That's why when we are cook, we always say, you know, this is our way, because people, no matter how you want to cook a end result of food, how it tastes. So I have my oil here, so ready for my pot.
No garlic
burn
in your
my
hand.
curry.
I hurry when it's curry, you know, guys. You know, I'm a nigga, but I like curry, you know.
I put piece of thyme. I can go and burn the piece of pepper. You know the whole works. Like an onion too. Piece of garlic.
And if you like, share, and subscribe. And this week is Mommy Flair and Wheels of Steel. You go, girl.
And guys, me not make it burn for too long, because sometimes when it tends to burn for too long, it black, the curry get black. So as me put it in, I stir 2 times because the oil already hot. I just throw in my meat. So now I go put in my pork. And guys, remember this is my way. This is Mommy Flair way.
I like the pot cool to know it now.
The pork so shrink.
Okay. There you go, that's a big chef right there. You know what the meat is going to shrink at any moment now.
So I'm going to stir a bit, guys.
Mommy Flair, never leave the spoon in the pot, it will get hot. And where's your wooden spoon?
You know me not like cook with the wooden spoon. Once I cook at this thing, you know.
Oh yeah.
You see that, guys? I just stir it a bit.
No, this is like that go nice now. This is like that go nice. No, no. This is like that go bad, you guys?
It look like Daddy Flair, you know when me a show down and not normal.
It look like it go hot. Hot? Yeah.
The patalan with the rice. Hot.
The patalan
so
with the the patalan with the pork.
So me I go cover it up and make it go and spring its own water. I'm going to cook a bit, you understand? So I'm just stay tuned to see what Mommy Flair are going with.
Yep. Yeah.
So guys, see it there? The pork spring its own water. I'm not put no water in there. It look like a pot. Kind of liquor still, but me see when it go down some more. Because I never want to use the bigger pot, guys, because sometimes when the bigger pot and the other pot, the pan in stove, it gives trouble. So that's why I say I'm going to use a smaller pot. And the pork leg pretty, guys. So you know, the 4.5 pounds. So just one little bit of fat did the pan it. So you know, so this is the seal, 4.5 pound of pork, right, guys? So see that pretty? See how the curry pretty? You know, just stay tuned to see what I go on. Yes. So guys, from putting the pork, we don't put no water pan in. Show me something. The pork cook. Watch them. Fork I've got through the fat.
The fat or the skin?
The skin. And I go add little water now. This is my first water. Added on it.
Well then.
When you see it shrink, guys, remember when I put it in or a pot could hardly stir. Look at it now. Shrink. This is I never need no bigger pot, Daddy Flair.
Ooh. Hey, this looks so lovely.
So the rice over this, so. Guys,
look like how look a young pig do. So
look how the rice and peas look rich. With me tin peas.
I can't believe it's tin peas.
So guys, the pork almost finished cooking. Can you guys believe it? Look at that. Daddy Flair can't wait to get down in this, you know.
What to know that? Oh, you know, sir. Right now I'm going to bust my shot. Like it will run.
Vegetable juice ready.
Right.
Get some grape juice.
Wow.
Bye. A bottle of grape juice. We don't make no juice.
Well, I'm thinking out. You know easy way I want to know. You're tough, you know. You're tough.
See it there, guys. Sink everything in a liquor.
Alright. So you drop in the Irish and thing there, sir.
Them cut up and ready and waiting.
Wow.
Quick and fast, man. Hot. So guys, yeah, thread my cabbage.
So what you have? A cabbage, your carrot, cucumber,
Tomato and lettuce.
wow.
And I'm gonna give you sweet corn as well.
Wee, you're so sweet. So sweet.
On the earring, guys, and I think I miss on the ear, Daddy Flair.
Careful,
You know the carrot cabbage off it. Shed light. You Understand? Yeah, man, enough for double in the kitchen. Now, mommy Flair angle things, you know. Let's see it there, guys.
Full coverage video again, you know. Brought to you by Flair Boss. It's Mom Flair in the kitchen on the wheels of steel today. It's Flair Boss rest day, guys. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Oh, yeah.
So guys, I'm pouring my second water on the pork. So the pork soft, so I'm going to add back little Caesar to it. Because scallion time, onion, and whole of pepper.
Pepper up back.
Pepper up back the whole Arnold.
Arnold, hey Arnold!
See, you look colorful. Guys, I'm not waste no time. I put in my Irish carrot and my sweet pepper same time.
Then peel them on the fridge while we Flair.
Yeah, I peel them and put them in the
You know,
freezer.
when they are cooking.
So then I get black. So
But look lower than now, guys.
come like this one more carrot.
Don't forget the more carrot.
So guys, it kind of look thick up. I put a little bit water in there and just leave it. Make it come down, right, guys?
I did to get around blessed spoon up at here.
And see my sauce there for me. My Barie fried chicken. I have ketchup, vinegar, sugar, liquor, lime and ginger extract. I have my Appleton.
But the estate are the blend is right.
Appleton estate. Yes,
Oh,
guys. I don't know how we do it. Already we Caribbean people we judge it till our ancestors say stop. So guys, I don't have no specific measurements of my ingredients and little honey as well, guys. You understand? And soya sauce, yes. So
The taste piece I put now is on the taste I'll be a lean with a taste piece. We have that piece. Show water on the pot. You try for the water? You know, guys, you know the thing though, you have to taste it and test it and say yes, it's ready.
so guys, see it there? My sauce almost ready. Let me taste this. I don't want to share. Ready and wait to me. Daddy Flair, tell the people them what go on now. Taste the skin. Soft man, wow.
Everything right about this. Right amount of season.
Right like me, babe.
I never tasted before, you know.
So yeah, so me not right. So why when a Jamaica man have to talk about taste?
You're right. So like I got before them cook. How are they blow all this now? People don't see that? So
guys.
Yeah, lock him down, you know.
Yep. Lock it
15
down.
minutes or 10 minutes of this done, you know. But my food short and we eat, you know.
So I'm a glazing. Teaspoon,
Just
another
soft.
pork spoon.
Yeah, them know it's a fork, yeah, you see? Fork spoon, right now this.
I'm gonna ground out pack when I cook.
Yeah, follow the electrician. When I run out the pot like that. See our sauce, so it can boil up till it get thick now, guys. So, if you got more or less, I'm going to show you the rice and peas, huh? Alright, I'm going to test it myself.
Test yourself.
Come now, look at the pot, I'm going to show you already.
Well, Shelly.
What?
Me teach you to cook rice, remember?
Yeah. So stay tuned, guys, so they finish, you know, presentation time. Soon. Let's
So the chicken here ready and waiting, guys. Yes. So I make my sauce before because when the chicken almost done fry, I don't want to have a sauce I do, you know? So I prepare it so when I almost finish fry, I just turn on back the heat under it and make it warm up and I just stick my French fried chicken. You understand?
I understand.
So guys, my oil hot. So I have my little scallion, garlic and pepper in. Drop my chicken in now. And guys, so I French fry the chicken as you all know already. And then I dip it in my sauce.
Here's sauce, the Appleton blend.
The
Our
chicken
signature blend.
Barbie fry. Appleton Barbie fry chicken.
Okay.
Yeah.
My signature chicken is like my signature blend. Go on, yourself, the door.
It's supposed to go.
You're not too rusty in our kitchen, I think you can get rusty.
Yeah, Barie, see? You know, you have no behavior. Or you teach her to get rusty, and yes.
All the time, you know what Carter show? Teach her how you deliver students.
So you have to teach somebody, you know, to get bad. So you think
How much chicken can hold in there?
one more may I put. One more is
Right, you make your iron cover your chicken.
that is key. For French fry. Hear that, guys?
Take your coal in the pot now.
Come set my fowl then.
Everything come up a set. Watch the foul level.
Yes, my fire. Yeah. See there, guys.
Let them fry it at least 10 minutes each side.
Yeah. Until it have a little golden brown.
Alright. Going nice. Hot daddy.
Going night, mommy flare. You know it.
Mommy flare first, let the chicken down fry. Sauce warm up yourself. Sauce ready, you know?
One devil.
Oh, go. Drop your next set there first. People don't cry the show. Really don't.
Last night this.
The people are saying they're hungry. They think we have to talk everything straight. A hungry man is a hungry man.
Well, you know hungry, so you know hungry.
Yeah, give it your sauce a boil, eh? So your sauce ready for your chicken. For your Appleton, your Barbie fry Appleton chicken or your Appleton Barbie fry chicken, anyway.
Appleton Barbie fried chicken.
Okay.
I'm gonna dip my French fried chicken in my sauce. Oh my god. Oh my god. See that is clear? I'll take them out now. I just dip and turn enough, please. Understand, Pete? Make sure so they're well dipped, you know?
They're well coated.
Yeah. Daddy Flare, I have to go do a review on the new chicken here, you know. In Daddy Flare?
Yeah, one can do it. I want to you cook it too much short utensil. You don't want to use some use up a long utensil.
You know me not like using long something them. Wow.
You don't like long.
This is looking lovely. I love long things but not long.
You don't love my long things. What if you raise a chicken then with the bread or something?
Wait no?
You don't want to be a fried chicken as yet. Oh, this look, guys.
Well coated. Guys, don't tell me how me are going, you know, going.
Good girl, let me taste it, let me tell you now.
This name the Junkin chicken.
A Junkin master. So food's ready for share them. Can you pour finish on the rice in it? Alright, now my belly I touch my back here.
Waiting on you, Daddy Flare.
So that's why I can't let them my belly and let them on my back.
So guys, this is my finished product. Yes. First time trying the Appleton barbecue fried chicken. That was, you know, we don't see nobody do it, and me come up with the idea, say me I gotta do something different for Daddy Flair. And my curry pork, my raw veg, my sweet corn and my rice and peas with my little cranberry grape juice on the side for Daddy Flair. You know me I do it extra special today for my love, right Daddy Flair?
Love is in the air.
Oh God, he's sing, you're hungry. So guys, that's my finished product. Yeah. Guys, Daddy Flair get down in him food. Oh my. How it tastes, Daddy Flair?
Food up, I'm not gonna lie. If I choose different cooking, I eat my own, but the food bad still. It's bad. It's bad.
Alright, so now here they tell them all the Appleton.
Appleton, the barbecue fried, Appleton chicken, Appleton barbecue fried.
Appleton barbecue fried chicken.
Yo guys, it's bad. It's you must try it. Yes, I use the Appleton, the soya sauce, vinegar, little sugar, right? Little honey,
Ketchup.
That's it. That's about it, right? Make it boil and get the thick up, little body, you know.
Alright, there you have it, guys. You know.
Bye for your guys.
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Till we meet again.